Most companies deal with two primary types of work: project work and maintenance. The latter is often referred to as production. Agile methodologies like Scrum and Kanban are well suited for managing maintenance work, but are underperforming when managing projects. Let's explore how to manage both in Jira using agileCCPM. Let's start by using Jira's Rovo Issue Organizer AI agent to quickly create a sample epic that represents a project for website creation. Given the prompt, the agent produces a list of tasks. We confirm the task creation and quickly get a sample project for this demo video. Next, we'll switch to Jira's backlog view to examine the sample maintenance work that was created earlier. Let me use the No Epic filter to see such work. Let's right away move the maintenance work into an upcoming sprint. Now let's move to agileCCPM to create a critical chain project schedule based on the Jira epic we just generated. We'll quickly fill in the essential details such as the name, start date, and the source of work items. As a result, we right away get a preliminary CCPM plan, complete with buffers. However, the schedule does not yet qualify as a critical chain, despite the addition of buffers, because resource constraints and multitasking considerations have not been fully accounted for. To address this, we'll link the relevant issues within the resource rows identified as having multitasking. By doing so, we transition from a critical path to a critical chain, which offers a more accurate representation of the project timeline. With the critical chain project schedule now in place, including automatically added buffers, we can move the project into the in-progress state. agileCCPM offers several options to enhance project and maintenance work management, including setting the epic's start and end dates based on the schedule, assigning start and end dates to individual work items, adding flags and labels to tasks on the critical chain, optionally creating and moving work items into their corresponding sprints. We applied all of these options. Back in Jira's backlog view, we can see that all project-related tasks have been organized into their respective sprints. Additionally, flags and labels have been applied to the tasks on the critical chain. To ensure we have sufficient capacity to complete both project and maintenance work, we can review the workload of each resource. If any resource is overloaded, we can reduce the maintenance work, while still ensuring more strategic project work is prioritized. Finally, we'll start the sprint and switch to Jira's Active Sprints Kanban view. To improve visibility, we'll organize the view by grouping all work items by epics. This allows us to easily distinguish between project work and maintenance work within a single view. These are the key steps you can follow to easily manage both project and production work types in Jira using agileCCPM.